Hey y'all, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello, welcome in. If you've been here before, it's good to see you. Okay, what the video today is about is my hashtag goal 1K journey. I would say I'm coming up on, oh gosh, I hate to say, I think it's been like 6 months or so, maybe more like 8, since I started the journey. I think we did it. When did we do it? Oh gosh, maybe last July or August was when we started it. And I got quite a few subbies, and then things just kind of lulled a little bit. Had a bunch of things going on. I had a new job that I started in October, which was totally unexpected. So the journey kind of got put on the back burner. So I thought, you know what, we just got to get it going again. So when we started the journey last year, I had several folks that provided items for giveaway. A lot of the smaller things we gave away during the channel hop. And then there were 3 journals that were donated, and I wanted to save those for the giveaway when I reached 1,000K or 1K subbies. This particular journal is from LoriB. I've just now opened it, so it's been sitting on my shelf, I'm thinking, since maybe August, I think. I'm not sure. Nope, July. It says right there, expected delivery date, July 25th. So, okay, yeah, July. Wow. Okay, time flies, right? So this particular prize was provided or donated by LoriB at Grungy Girl Journals on YouTube. I will put her channel in the description box below, so you all can check her out. Okay. Oh, I totally forgot about this. That's right. She sent it in July, and she said she was going to include a little something for me for my birthday in September. Oh, I totally forgot about that, Lori. Thank you. That's so sweet. Oh, that's really a nice surprise. I mean, this is really nice and beautiful, I'm sure. Wow, that's just making me smile. So let's dig in, because I can't wait to see it. Oh, I know it's going to be good. Let's see. Oh, oh my, oh y'all, look at that. Oh, wow. Look at that. It's a mermaid journal. This is metal. Oh my goodness. Oh, LoriB. I mean, I know what kind of work you can do. I mean, I'm fully aware of your work, but oh my word. Look how she makes this look like a casting net. And then she has the little charms hand sewn on here. Oh my. Oh, I don't need to go. Look at the hand stitching. Do y'all see that? Oh, and she just feels so sweet in your hand. Oh my goodness, LoriB. This is fantastic. Look at that. Sorry, let me get back down in frame here. Let me take that away so you have some contrast here. Oh my good. Oh, we got to open her up. Yes, indeed we do. Hold on. Look at that. Some little sparkly ribbon for the closure. Let's see if I can't. Oh my goodness, LoriB. I just can't wait to get inside. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. I hope I'm at a good distance away from the camera. Look at this, you guys. At night, her soul would dance with the mesmerizing grace and unpredictable beauty of the sea. Wow. This is fantastic. Look at this. Oh, just the color. Look at the color. This is custom coloring. This page did not just pop out of a paper pad. Look at the coloring on that. Again, this is LoriB at Grungy Girl Journals on YouTube and Etsy. Wow. Look at that. It's like it got wet. Those who live by the sea can hardly form a single thought of which the sea would not be part. Herman Brock. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. LoriB. Look at that. Just look at the little touches. That's sewn on there. That little tab is hand sewn on there. Got some vellum right there with some stamping on it. Limitless and immortal. The waters are the beginning and ending of all things on earth. Heinrich Zimmer. Wow. Look at the color. The coloring. Just the coloring of these pages is fantastic. She's got some tatting on there. Oh my goodness, LoriB. Wow. Okay. Dance of the Mermaids. Oh, I don't think that comes out, and I'm not untying that. What does that do? Hold on. I don't know. I don't want to touch it. I think it's glued down. I think it's glued down. I don't want to mess anything up. My goodness. Look at that. Look at the lace. She's got a little laminated card here. How adorable. Listen to the sound of waves within you. Rumi or Rummy. Rummy? Not sure. Look how she's like sewn that. Can you see it? Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Look at this. Isn't that sweet? I love all the hand stitching, the textile, the fabric. It's my favorite. I love when there's lace, fabric, thread in a journal. To myself, I am only a child playing on the beach, while vast oceans of truth lie undiscovered before me. Isaac Newton. Wow, just the the nautical themed designs in here. Just the time that it took to find these. The heart of man is very much like the sea. It has its storms, it has its tides, and in its depths it has its pearls too. Vincent van Gogh. Wow, this is No pun intended. This is a little treasure right here. Oh, love that. Love that belly band. Just that little bit of lace right there. Look at that. That's cute. Adorable. My soul is full of longing for the secret of the sea, and the heart of the great ocean sends a thrilling pulse through me. Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. And look at that. That looks like it got wet. Like this is literally just came up out of the water. And these pages, just, can y'all see? Can y'all see that? The wavy or well, for lack of a better word, the grungy. Because that's her thing. I live in the sunshine, swim in the sea, drink the wild air. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Oh, this is fantastic, Lori. Thank you so much. Oh, girl. I would want to keep this. It's beautiful. And then she's got some little goodies with a Brad here. Look at that. And it's hidden. She's so smart. It's hidden. I would never think of that before doing it. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. The lace with the little pin right there. Again, kind of like fishnet. Very beautiful fishnet. Look at that. Then we got a little mini clip here. Does this flip out? I'm not sure. I'm afraid. I don't want to mess anything up. Oh, okay, so you have a little journaling spot there. And then you flip that out for the little design. And then we're going to mini clip it back down. How cute. We have some tatting there. Grungy Girl Journals. Oh, that's a little tuck. That's what that's supposed to be. Or that's what it is. Grungy Girl Journals. LoriB. Oh, we got to let her show a little bit. How beautiful. Just in case you have forgotten today, you matter. You are loved. You are worthy. You are magical. Oh. I'm afraid to. It looks like it's just tacked down. Is that not gorgeous? And then again, we're at the back. Oh, LoriB, it's beautiful. Who'd have thought? Well, I know she's a mermaid journal, but who thought that sea or nautical things could be in a journal could be so beautiful? Oh my word. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, she says this is for the giveaway. So I think I'm going to leave that as a surprise. I'm not going to open that. And then this is for me. And I think I'm going to open it and just share with you all my Christmas gift from last year from LoriB. Some waxed linen there. Oh, I hope it's okay to open this on screen, LoriB. Oh, gorgeous bag. Oh, it is what I think it is. Oh, look at the charms, you guys. Look. Oh, my goodness. All kinds. Look at that. A Coca-Cola bottle opener. I know y'all can't see that. Isn't that sweet? Look at the camera. Oh, Lori, these are gorgeous. A little bucket. And a seahorse. Oh, and a little bikini top. Woohoo! There's a little bikini top right there. Can you see it? Oh my goodness. Oh, my favorite. Look at that. Believe. Of all else, believe. Whatever it is that you believe in, believe. Most of all, believe in yourself. Absolutely. Oh, we have a little straggler. Check her out on the surfboard. You go, girl. It's a lady on a surfboard. Oh, and there's the bikini bottoms. I found the bottoms. LoriB, thank you so much for the birthday gift. What a nice little surprise. I totally forgot about that. Like I said, this has been on my shelf unopened since July last year, when we started the hashtag goal 1K. So we are continuing the journey. Once I reach 1,000 subbies, we will do a giveaway, and this journal will be one of them. So in order, I'm probably not going to get this back right. In order to be eligible, all you have to do is subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your neighbors, grab your hubby's phone, and subscribe. Lori, please don't say anything. I know I did not get that wrap back up like you had it, but I will figure it out. I promise, before I get it too out of shape. And I'll put that back in the package. And hopefully it won't be too long before we're going to give this beauty away. So, yes, everyone, please like, subscribe, and share, and click that notification bell so you'll be notified when the video, the 1K video, goes up, and you can be sure to enter the giveaway. So thank you all for your time, and I hope to see you again real soon. I will have 2 more videos coming up of journals that were donated. Janine from J9 Scraps donated a journal, and Johnny from Junk Journal Shop. So, yes, be on the lookout for those videos, and thank you all for joining me today. LoriB, thank you so much for the donation. It's absolutely gorgeous. And we'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.